I found the smallest camera for mountain biking, and I know what you're thinking. That's not that small. That looks like a traditional action camera. But hold on. This is the camera I'm actually talking about. This is the Insta360 Go 3, and it is a tiny little camera, action camera, that I want to test against mountain biking. The stabilization, the video quality, the view, point of view, the view, what can we see with a camera this small? Because normally I mountain bike with the Insta360 X4, which is an incredible camera for mountain biking. You can get the 360 and really see stuff, but reframing 360 footage, kind of a pain in the butt. So how good will this little camera stand up against, like, you know, the top of the dogs? Of course, my favorite place to mountain bike in Summit County, Arapahoe Basin. They have a single trail that's here that's super fun, and it's like my go-to for mountain bike trails. So we're gonna ride here. Oh, it's chilly this morning. We just gotta mount this camera to the, you know, the helmet. So we're gonna start with the chin mount, and then we'll do a chest mount next. All right, we're good to go. Shocks are all locked. We're in climb mode. So it's crazy being at a ski resort in the summertime. All right, we just got to the top of the trail. I am surprised at how good my legs feel after that. I will say my breathing, whole nother story. I haven't been doing a lot of cardio since my insane snowboard slam that hurt my ankle. Now, I haven't mountain biked since that slam either, so we're gonna see how the ankle does. It's a mile from here down to the base, but I did notice two things. First being this trail right here, which is new and has bikes coming down. So I'm pretty sure that they extended the bike trail. I don't know how to keep climbing, but I'm pretty positive that the biking trail now goes a lot higher. And then I also noticed they have all their rails chilling here. And a lot of these rails, like this elbow kink, I haven't seen in forever. That really fat box, the log jib, a lot of this stuff has not been specifically in this spot in forever. I hope they're not getting rid of any of it. And if Basin, if you are, I'll take it. I'll happily take your features. Just maybe not this one. But the DFD, the greatest DFD of all time, we would take that. Whew, still out of breath. I don't even think we could move that A-frame. I'm like 90% sure this is the rail I learned how to board slide on. Right here, first ever board slides. That was cool. Got to catch my breath. Time to send it. Okay, so the one thing I always forget to do before I send it is to release my shocks. Also, let's drop the seat. All right, we're in downhill mode. I left my gloves in the car. I wanted to do 2 runs. I think we might just do 1 because I have physical therapy for my ankle, and it took a little longer to get up here than I thought it would take. All right, let's see if we remember how to do this mountain bike thing. We started early, which means we're gonna have a lot of shadows. Don't forget, drop in the comments, what do you think of this point of view? How's this camera doing? How is the stabilization? How is the audio? Ooh, all that good stuff. Oh, bottomed out. This trail is so much fun. And A-Basin usually has like really good dirt. It's not like super dusty. It's always kind of packed down really well. It's a good grip. You're not slipping out all the time. Ooh, we're not mountain biking in a minute. This all feels really good. that has felt better in the past. I can already feel the burn in my arms. Woo. This is where it gets really fun. This huge berm. These used to scare the living crap out of me. Got a lot better with berms. I feel like I'm braking a little less than I used to in the past. Definitely braking through the berm still though. Ooh. I am smiling ear to ear though. Feels good to be back on the bike, I'm not gonna lie. You like somewhat forget how fun and good hobbies are when you have to take a break from them. And I had to take a break from all my hobbies as I recovered. So to do something that's getting my heart racing and my hands shaking, oh, it feels so good. Ooh. That downhill is so fun and smooth. An hour. I feel like we could probably get another one in. Before we get another one in though, I want to do two things. I want to check this footage, take this hoodie off because it's getting hot. Throw on the chest mount. It's not like super dusty. It's always kind of packed down really well. Honestly, the audio is really good. And then the field of view is not bad. It's going to be way better in 9x16, which you could do both on this. That was pretty good. I do think it's going to be better on the chest. I think we're going to see more of the handlebars and the bike. So we're going to chest mount this time. Now I could literally mount the whole rig system, which would give me better battery life and quick ability to change settings and things like that. But I purposely want to have the lightest camera possible on me. So we're going to go just the camera again. We're going to go something like this. Now, normally with the chest mount, the thing that sucks about them is the camera that you put here is pretty heavy. So it's like shaking the whole time. Then you have your handlebars. And if you like bottom out the handlebars, you're smashing your camera against the handlebars. So I think this is going to do really well with the chest mount. I lost a little bit of weight, so yeah. Not only do I need to get up to the top a lot faster, but let's make it faster for the video. So we're gonna do this really cool thing where you guys have seen it before. I kind of like, I mean, here, you. All right, we're back at the top of the trailhead. Now, before we drop, I do want to mention that if you want to get the world's smallest action camera, mountain bike camera, the Insta360 Go 3S is linked in the description. It films in 4K, 100 frames per second. You've seen the stabilization, you've heard the audio, as well as the Insta360 X4 and the Ace Pro. These are all the action cameras I use for my action videos. If you snag any of them, a lot of my links have bonus things that go with them. Like if you get the X3, you get the invisible pull, extra battery, and lens covers. All super rad, all linked in the description. Thank you, Insta360, for sponsoring this channel. It's time to drop. We also have 13 minutes to do this drop, which I think this takes like 5 or 6 minutes to get down this dude. So plenty of time to make it to physical therapy on time. I got a bunch of stuff from today to talk to him about. I've only had 2 ankle issues, but obviously no issue big enough to stop me from sending it. A little air. Since this is the second go, how do you like the chest view compared to the chin view? Your feedback is greatly appreciated, as well as how's the audio down there. I could see how the audio would be better on the chin because it's right in front of my mouth. Also, since this is round 2, once again, I have mountain biked basically all summer. Feeling a little bit more warmed up, a little bit more into a flow state. That was better than the last time. Like, I enjoy mountain biking, but I also hate it because the slams are so brutal. I really need pads for my elbows and knees. So anyone that has elbow or knee pad recommendations for your company, send me a pair. I'll rock them in the videos. I just can't ever get, I go into a place and I want to try them on. They're so packaged up, so I want to like rip apart the packaging. And then if I finally commit to doing it, everything's so tight and I'm scared to try to put it on. So I just don't know what pads to get for mountain biking, but I desperately want them. I'm sick of getting rock burn and all torn up for no reason. Also feel like maybe we'd go a little harder if we, had a little cushion. That one felt good. Speed is feeling a lot faster this go too. Oh, get the rock up. Yeah, I love this mountain bike trail though. By far, my favorite one I've ever done. Arapahoe Basin, you gotta pedal up, which is honestly something that I enjoy. And then the downhill is a mile long. It's fun. It's chill. You can get more sendy than I am. So many rock jumps like this one to the right. I'm just not that dude yet. Fun berms. It's a rock jump right here to end it. Gotta be careful though right at this end. Sometimes the hikers confuse where they're going. And they'll be in that tree area before they turn around. But also, it's not busy, man. I like doing things alone, especially when I'm filming videos. Being able to come out here and not have people around is nice. I think I took 5 minutes to get down. Not bad at all. I'm happy we went for the second run. I almost bailed. All right, let's see how this footage was. It's round 2. Okay, so the audio is great once again. I could have angled it a little higher, so I appreciate you guys bearing with me on figuring this out. I think we're gonna do more runs with this guy. I think there's some potential here for like single, short mountain bike runs. When the camera's by itself, it doesn't have the craziest battery life, but when it's in the holder, you get a lot more battery life, everything like that. I mean, it's a tiny camera, super rad. So once again, if you want to grab any of the cameras, they're linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're experimenting. We're gonna be mountain biking a lot more with Roman now that he can actually ride a pedal bike too, which is super rad. So if you enjoy videos with me and my son snowboarding, me and my son biking is gonna be a ton of fun as well. And my daughter, she's on a bike as well. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.